Hi there, you're watching Fish Finally, where we aim to bring you up to date on the latest and best in the world of fishing. From essentials like fish finders, fishing rods and reels, to accessories like fishing gloves or backpacks, we have something for everyone. We test them in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For a fishing enthusiast looking for helpful buying guides, nothing could be better than Fish Finally.
The key to a successful fishing trip is having the right fishing tools. Have you tried using the best Spincast rod and reel combo? Would you prefer to get the set instead of buying the reel and the rod separately? We have made a video guide with the 8 best Spincast rod and reel combo out there for your convenience. Any one of these Spincast rod and reel combo will give you a memorable experience, so choose whichever one strikes your fancy.
Next up on our list is something you should really give a shot. It has really attractive features and great value for the money.
Number 8. Shakespeare Navigator Spincast Rod and Reel Combo. Would you like to make your fishing trip simpler and easier with an advanced Spincast rod and reel combo? At that point, Shakespeare Navigator Spincast Rod and Reel Combo is the best guide for you. The Spincast rod and reel combo from Shakespeare offers superior components and materials that far exceed the competition. This Shakespeare Navigator Spincast rod and reel combo are constructed with a 2-piece tubular glass blank. It has a rugged, durable design that withstands rough conditions. The reel comes pre-spooled with a 10-pound line for added convenience. It has a split EVA grips handle that offers a comfortable, balanced handhold, which makes this rod and reel combo perfect for all-day fishing excursions. The combo offers reliable performance at a great value. This Spincast combo is built to haul and catch after catch. If you are looking for a special gift for your loved ones who like exploring, camping, hunting, hiking, fishing, or backpacking, then this Spincast rod and reel combo is a perfect choice. Number 7. Milerong Spincast Rod and Reel Combo. The Milerong Spincast Rod and Reel Combo come with all you need for fishing. You will get 1 telescopic fishing rod, 1 Spincast reel with line, 1 spare fishing line, various fishing lures, fishing tackles, and 1 carrier bag. The detailed user's manual will help your children use this fishing rod correctly and give your child their best chance of making a catch. This fishing rod comes with non-slip EVA grips, which are soft, comfortable, breathable, and wear-resistant. It comes with the perfect size and lightweight material that are suitable for small hands. The soft material of the casting plug offers safe usage for kids. The Spincast reel features a push-button design and is pre-spooled, no assembly is needed. It comes with a ceramic guide that has good heat dissipation, and it can also reduce friction, which takes many conveniences in your fishing times. The Milerong Portable Telescopic Fishing Rod features a collapsible design which makes it just portable enough to carry along with you. It has a blue bag that also makes it easy to carry the pole and all the other accessories and protects it from getting damaged. This comes with everything a beginner needs to begin their adventure with angling. Number 6. Ugly Stik Spincast Rod and Reel Combo. The Ugly Stik Spincast Rod and Reel Combo combine exceptional strength and durability with an easy-to-use design, which makes fishing accessible, simple, and fun for the whole family. This fishing rod and reel pairs a highly durable Ugly Stik rod with a dependable Shakespeare fishing reel. Modeled after the iconic Ugly Stik, the rod is strong and durable yet balanced for a lighter feel. The fishing combo is made from stainless steel and aluminum by a trusted manufacturer called an Ugly Stik. This 2-piece rod is crafted with a resilient combination of graphite and fiberglass. It is available in several lengths and comes with a stainless steel fishing reel that uses a 5-to-1 bearing system. Moreover, the handle is covered in EVA grips. This fishing rod will be perfect for fishing in humid or rainy weather. The reel features a polished stainless steel front cone with metal gears for increased durability and long-lasting use. It comes conveniently pre-spooled with a 6-pound line, so young anglers can get out on the water and start fishing immediately.
Up next, we have a great mid-range model that would give you a satisfactory result all around.
Number 5. Only Mountain Spincast Rod and Reel Combo. This Only Mountain Spincast Rod and Reel Combo contains everything you need to start fishing today. It arrives pre-spooled with 200 feet of 8-pound line. It includes a fishing tackle box with lures, extra line, bait net, fishing pliers, and starter guidebook, all in a convenient portable bag. The Only Mountain Spincast Rod and Reel Combo is a high-quality reverse filament fiberglass rod. It allows the rod to be ultralight and have superior strength with a better pull feel. The ceramic guidelines won't catch or snag your line, and the ergonomic grip is perfect for small or large hands. It has a non-slip EVA grip and ergonomic handle design makes casting easy and fun. The instruction booklet included has easy-to-follow tips and tricks to help you land your first catch. The wide range of fishing tackle included is perfect for all styles of bait casting. It includes a fishing line, crankbaits, float bobbers, jig heads, soft lures, swivels, sinkers, and tackle boxes. This portable telescopic fishing pole and reel combo are perfect for camping, hiking, backpacking, or a quick outing to your local fishing spot. Number 4. Steinhauser Spincast Rod and Reel Combo. The Steinhauser Spincast Rod and Reel Combo is the ultimate tangle-free travel rod for those spontaneous fishing trips. The fiberglass rod extends to 30 inches. It can be retracted to 18 inches to make storage easy, while the inline feed prevents the line from tangling. This combo can virtually be stored anywhere and is even perfect to use on your kayak or canoe. The rod of this combo is constructed with fiberglass material that is durable and lightweight. The fiberglass makes your fishing rod hard and durable. It has a micro spin cast reel, 6-pound line 4.1:1 gear ratio, and tangle-free technology. It is easy to carry, suitable for kids, and less fatigue to fishing. This combo is crafted with an adjustable seat EVA handle that ensures a comfortable, firm, non-slip grip. It is designed for absolutely everyone regardless of their skill level. This combo is great for backpacking, camping, hiking, and traveling, or where space is a luxury such as a plane or a car. Number 3. Yongzhi Spincast Rod and Reel Combo. If you are looking for the best Spincast Rod and Reel Combo, then look at this Yongzhi Spincast Rod and Reel Combo. It comes with a 48-piece fishing combo kit that includes a telescopic fishing pole, spincast reel, tackle box stocked with gear, beginner's manual, spare fishing line, and carry case. The rod of this combo is constructed with high-quality material that is durable and lightweight. The length of this rod is 62.9 inches that is easy to put in a backpack. It is very convenient to carry outside for fishing bass trout, etc. in freshwater. The Spincast fishing reel reduces tangles with the push-button casting system. Reel arrives pre-spooled, no assembly needed. This versatile starter kit is perfect for any beginner fisherman. This Spincast Rod and Reel Combo is equipment that will be too cumbersome and complicated for your child to handle. Instead, purchasing kids' fishing poles and lures that are made specifically for a child's small hands is very important. It is a great opportunity for adults and children to get outdoors and connect with nature.
Before we get to the best of the bunch, let's look at the runner-up for today's video.
Number 2. Oddspro Spincast Rod and Reel Combo. Are you searching for the best Spincast Rod and Reel Combo for your ordinary use? Try not to stress. Here is the best Spincast Rod and Reel Combo sitting tight for you. This Oddspro Spincast Rod and Reel Combo is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. It comes with a casting plug, which is a great tool for practicing kids' casting skills. It also comes with the perfect size and weight. Kids can practice casting in the yard or home. The soft material of the casting plug offers safe usage for kids. This Spincast Rod and Reel Combo comes with a fishing rod with a fishing line and tackle box. It includes crankbaits, float bobbers, jig heads, soft lures, swivels, and sinkers that are suited to a range of different fishing situations. The telescopic fishing rod features a collapsible design which makes it just portable enough to carry along with you. It includes a blue bag that also makes it easy to carry the pole and all the other accessories and protects it from getting damaged. This fishing combo comes with everything a beginner needs to begin their adventure with angling. It is also designed to be simple and easy to use for kids that are just starting out or for kids who have to experience fishing. It's a great gift for your birthday, Christmas.
From performance to price, from design to durability, the last product on our list is the best out of all we've reviewed.
Number 1. Zebco Dock Spincast Rod and Reel Combo. Do you need the best Spincast rod and reel combo for your ordinary use? The Zebco Dock Spincast Rod and Reel Combo is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. This 30-inch one-piece fishing rod combo provides medium power and moderate action, which makes it easier to catch the light and medium species including panfish, trout, walleye, and bass. The Zebco Dock Spincast Rod and Reel Combo are constructed with a durable fiberglass rod blank and ultra-tough dial-adjustable drag. It provides a smooth cast and retrieves while cushioned EVA handle reduces discomfort and ensures a sure grip. The Zebco's quickset anti-reverse reel stops your handle from moving backward. It creates a solid hook set in the mouth of a fish when reeling in your prized catch. It features a powerful right-hand retrieve, patented no-tangle design, and comes pre-spooled with the 6-pound Zebco Cajun line. This premium all-metal gear has a 2.6:1 gear ratio and dual ceramic pickup pins. It ensures a buttery smooth retrieve, extended life, and ultra-high abrasion resistance to make every fishing experience a memorable one. Hope you have no doubts about the best Spincast rod and reel combo in the market. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe. Drop a suggestion in the comment box if you think we can do better.